Welcome to Urban Survivor's Recon Challenge. The Recon Challenge is a tactical adventure race where two 3-man teams are going to compete against each other on a mission. These missions are televised, and on each episode, 2 different 3-man teams will be given a new adventure or mission. Missions like rescuing a downed pilot, infiltrating an enemy base, taking out a terrorist group, setting explosives behind enemy lines, or capturing dangerous intel. It's like a reality first-person shooter video game, except it's more demanding and dangerous than sitting on your couch. We use simunition weapons, rifles, mortars, grenades, sidearms, and paint marker knives. Like a video game, you can be brought back to life with metapacks. These are armbands, scattered around and throughout the course. But be careful, you can only be brought back to life twice. After that, it's game over for you. These 2 teams will not face each other. No! They'll be facing my team, the bad guys, the Omega team. If you want to compete with your 3-man team, contact us. And come prepared to face physical danger, mental exhaustion, and the adrenaline rush of a lifetime. If you win, you gain cash and prizes and advance to the semifinals. And after the semifinals, you become the Recon Champion.